Alright, so we're back here at the Snake River, and I'm going to tell you guys about a few physical and chemical tests that you're going to do also while you're here, along with the biological. The first one that I'm going to talk about is turbidity. So turbidity is how clear or cloudy the water is. We're going to use this tub to test for turbidity. It's important that the water is nice and clear so that the aquatic life can find their way while they're swimming around. Now, another thing that we're going to be testing is temperature, using thermometers just like this. If the water's too hot or too cold, it's going to be really hard for aquatic life to live in there. Now, another cool thing we're going to be using are these tabs and these test tubes. These tabs are for dissolved oxygen. So if we take this piece of paper, we can tell how much dissolved oxygen is in the water based on the color that comes through this test tube. Really important that we have oxygen in the water for aquatic life to live as well. Now, lastly, we have different tubes that have test strips in them. I'm going to pull one more out to show you guys. Right here is a copper test, all right? And this one is pH. So I'm going to do a little demonstration to show you how these pH test strips work. Now you open up the container and you pull out one of these little strips. Looks just like this. Now, the directions on the tube, on the bottle, will tell you to dip the strip in the water for 15 seconds. So I'm going to do that right now. Now, after it's been dipped for 15 seconds, you're going to take the color of this tab and match it up with the colors on the tube. So you can see right here that based on these colors, this stream has a pH of 4, a little bit more acidic than normal. So those are some of the tests that we're going to do while you're here, and we're probably going to do a lot of other cool fun things like test velocity and learn about watersheds. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. So as you can see, the snow is coming down here at Keystone. It might not be coming down while you guys are here, but it's definitely going to be cold. So one thing that I want to make sure you remember is to bring gloves. Make sure that your hands stay cold because we're going to be putting our hands in the water. Stay warm because we're going to be putting our hands in the water a lot while you guys are here. So I'm really excited that you're coming, and I know the staff is too. We'll see you guys soon.